Today I will explain Big Bang Theory and discuss how the universe began. What was the starting point? The questions that have always sought in the human mind are the discovery of the top secrets of the universe, some of which have been uncovered and many are still being explored. Big Bang means big explosion. The Big Bang is actually the explosion from which this universe came into being. According to this theory, before the universe came into existence, all matter was imprisoned in a very hollow space equivalent to thousandths of needle. If matter has too much energy, more than any other source of energy in the world, then gravity becomes the force pushing things away from one another. According to science, that was the beginning of Big Bang point, when all substances began to detach from one another after an explosion and spread into space. At that time, the universe began to expand rapidly because of its speed. Today, it has been 13.8 billion years since the Big Bang. 13.8 billion years ago, it was neither the sun nor the star and not even that galaxy. In fact, there were clouds of large hydrogen gas created just as the result of the explosion. The clouds in the space in which the hydrogen and helium content was high in that part, gases started to shrink to form very hot bodies which are known as stars now. In addition to these stars, where the amount of gases was low, in that part, gases shrunk and became hot objects that were smaller than stars, and because of greater attraction of the star nearest to itself, they began to rotate around it. We call these objects planets. Many of the stars were shaped by the attraction of each other, and thus galaxies came into being. The galaxy in which our Sun and Earth lies is called the Milky Way. It is named as Milky Way because many of the stars look white. Because of this, it appears as if there is milk stream or path. So in today's video, we know how the universe began, what was the starting point. I hope you will like the video. Thank you for watching.